Hi guys. So in last lecture we have seen the valuation class related theory part. Now the three activities we need to perform in order to create the custom valuation class. To create the or define valuation class we have the T code OMSK. Instead of OMSK we'll go with the path to define the valuation classes SPRO, SAP reference IMG. In SAP reference IMG you need to go to materials management node, then in materials management, go to valuation and account assignment, go to account determination without wizard, and here you will see the node define valuation classes. Once you click on this node, you will see three activities. First one is account category reference, second one is valuation class, and third one is combination or assigning of material type to the accounting category reference. We'll see one by one. Firstly, click on the account category reference. Click on new entries, provide some meaningful account category reference. For example, I'm providing 5996, and here you can provide the description, meaningful description. So here I'm providing ACR, which is nothing but account category reference for our material type. Whichever material type you have customized, here we have customized 6 ROH, so that you can provide here. Okay. Once done, click on enter and save it. Save it in our respective tier. Okay. Click on enter. So this is how we have created the account category reference. We'll save it for our reference. ACR. Next one is, once you saved, go back once, again go back, then click on the valuation class. So once you click on valuation class, click on new entry. Here you can provide the valuation class whichever you want to customize or create. So here I am providing 1874 is my valuation class. Provide the reference key whichever you have generated account category reference. In the last steps, click on enter. So account category reference description will be directly come, and valuation class description you can provide here. For example, valuation class for raw material. Raw material 1 I can put raw mat 1. So in theory part we have seen, like here the valuation class allowed depend on the material type, and several valuation classes are generally allowed for one material type. So if you want to create more valuation classes for the same material type, that also you can create. For example, here I am providing again 1875 same category reference I am putting here, and instead of valuation class raw material 1 I am putting raw material 2. Click on enter. So multiple valuation class you can generate against the one category reference and one material type. That we already discussed in the theory part. Once done, you can click on save. Save your configuration in the respective tier. This valuation class, like multiple valuation class against the one category reference or one material type, that will be completely depend upon the business requirement. Okay. Once done, go back, and then come to the last part, material type slash account category reference. So here we are defining, as we discussed in the theory part, the account category reference is a combination of valuation classes, and it's the link between the valuation class and the material type. So these 2 points we are covering here in this configuration. So once you are here, click on position, select your material type which is 6ROH, click on continue. Here you will see account category reference already available, because while defining the material type we have taken standard account category reference, but now we have customized the account category reference which is 5996, that you can put here. Click on enter, and here you will see whichever account category reference we have configured, that is assigned to the material type, and against this account category reference we have already defined the two valuation classes, which means account category reference is working as a link between material type and the valuation classes which we defined in the earlier step. Once done, you can click on save. So this way all the 3 points whichever we discuss in the theory part, the link between valuation class and material type is account category reference. Precisely one category reference we can use for the one material type, but in in some cases we can use one category reference for combination of valuation classes as well as material type also. So these three all points will be like, if you follow the configuration, that will be clear. So just to recap, we have assigned the material type to the account category reference and shows those changes. In our account category reference, we have two valuation classes. If you go back in a reverse manner, if I put here our valuation classes, here only you can see 1 and 2. So these two valuation classes 1874 and 1875 are attached to the this category account category reference, and this account category reference we align with the material type. So this is how we can configure these all three steps, which are nothing but the definition or creation of the valuation classes.